Sherry gets an Instant Pot Ultra and gives her review. I asked Sherry what she would like for her anniversary gift this year. Her response was in 2 seconds.
I want an Instant Pot.
I should have known. She's been wanting one for years, but we had other things that we needed until now. So I went on Amazon to see what one would cost, and while the Luxe and Duo models have lower base prices than the Ultra, Amazon had a sale on the Ultra at $40 off the normal price. I jumped at that deal and it was delivered 2 days later. This turned out to be an early present since our anniversary is in July.
The Instant Pot Ultra came with some accessories that let me start cooking right away. The 6-quart stainless steel cooking pot and steam rack, plastic measuring cup, serving spoon, and a soup spoon. The first meal I made was my chili. And other than finding a feature that they don't tell you about in the manual, more on that later, it worked well and was faster, even when I had to work through a learning curve. Now, this is my second batch of chili I made. Start by setting the Instant Pot to saute and let it preheat. It's very important you don't try to start putting things in until it's all the way heated up. While it was doing this, I cut up the peppers and onions. Added oil to the pot. And the peppers and onions. A little salt and a little pepper and stirring. And then lots of stirring to keep it from sticking to the bottom. A little more oil and more stirring. Then I put in the ground beef and more stirring. More oil, and then I gave it a good mix. A total of 3 pounds of ground beef is what I used. And then I stirred a little more, and a little chicken broth, and my special blend of chili spices. My special secret ingredient is cocoa powder. And then I stirred that up. And then a little more salt and pepper, some green chilies, and I stirred that up. More chicken broth, some tomato sauce, some white beans, tomato paste, a little chipotle chilies and olives. And then I added a little more chicken broth and the final stirring. Close the lid. I used the pressure cooking setting and set it to 14 minutes. This part of cooking on the stove would have been an hour and a half, and the slow cooker would have been at least 4 hours.
The undocumented feature that Sherry found is the part of the Instant Pot that helps prevent burning food. If you don't have enough liquid in the pot, it won't pressurize correctly. If this happens, it shows the word burn in the display. On the Luxe and Duo models, it shows overheat. Sherry saw this on her first batch of chili and at first didn't know what it was trying to tell her. So she stopped it and put in more water. Problem solved. But it took her some time to actually know what the message was all about.
Then there's a time to depressurize. This can be done natural. It takes a lot of time. Or use the pressure release button and see steam come out of the vent. We wanted the natural release, but we got so hungry. So we let it naturally depressurize for 30 minutes, and then we decide to hit the button. When the little silver button drops, that means the pressure is released and it's ready to open. Now we can eat. I love my present. Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos.